Hello, my name is Luis Salazar and I will be solving this problem. Okay, so essentially, a farmer has 1,800 or 1,800 feet of fencing to create a rectangular pasture for his goats and cows. He's going to use a river as one side of his pasture and plans on using the fencing to divide the goats from the cows. What is the maximum amount of pasture that he can make for his animals? Please solve using calculus. So the first thing we can automatically see is that this width, they're all equal. So this is going to be x, this is also going to be x, and this is also going to be x. So now, what is our length? What is this part right here? So it says he has 1,800 feet of fencing, right? And we're going to be subtracting 3x. And why 3x is because this is considered 1x, 1x, 1x. You add all of them together and it would be 3x. So you're subtracting what the fence that the farmer is going to use right here, and right here. So essentially the total he has minus what he's going to use for the width to divide the goats and the cows, and to divide the goats from the outside and the cows from the outside. So that is our length formula for our length. So we know the area for a rectangle is length times width, and here our length is 1,800 minus 3x, and our width is essentially just x. So now we're going to distribute that x, so it'll be 1,800 x minus 3x squared, because x times x will give us x squared. So now we have to find the derivative of this, so that would be 1,800 minus 6x, because this 2 would come up to the front. 2 times 3, okay. 2 times 3 would give us 6, and then 2 minus 1 would give us just 1. So the x, there's essentially a 1 there, but you don't need to show it because it's an understood 1 there. So this is our derivative of that. So now we have to set the derivative equal to 0. Now you need to get x by itself. So we would subtract 1,800 on both sides, giving us negative 1,800 is equal to negative 6x. So divide by 6 to get the x by itself. So x is equal to negative 1,800 divided by negative 6, which is 300. So that is essentially our x, and that is our width. So that would be 300. Now to find the area of this, we need to find what the length is, and here our length is 1,800 minus 3x, and we know what x is now, so we can just plug in our numbers, what we have. So it'll be 1,800 minus 3 times x, which is 300, and if you plug all this into your calculator, you should get 900. So this is equal to 900. So to find the area, you do length times width. Our length is 300 and our width is 900. So 300 feet times 900 feet will give us 270,000 feet squared. So that would be the maximum amount of pasture that he can make for his animals, and that would be 270,000 feet squared.